In this video, we will learn how to perform the Python Firebase authentication login process. Before moving on to the video, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. In the previous video, we learned how to do the sign-up process. We created 2 users in Firebase. Now let's delete these users in Firebase. I will create a login function in the Python code file. I will ask the user for email and password for login. I can benefit from the sign-up function. The login process may fail in some cases. There may be a problem connecting to Firebase, or the email and password entered by the user may be incorrect. We will use the try except structure as in the sign-up function. I can copy and paste in the sign-up function. I will use the sign in with email and password function for the login process. I send email and password to the function. I arrange the texts in the print function accordingly. I will create an infinite while loop. I'm creating a variable for user selection. The user can choose either sign up or login. If selection is 1, the sign-up function will be called. If selection is 2, the login function will be called. First, I select the sign-up option. Sign-up was successful. We can see the account created on the Firebase website. Let's create another account. Again, I chose the first option. The second account was created successfully. Now let's try the login function. I choose the second option. I will enter an incorrect password. We saw the error message. Now I enter the correct email and password. We have logged in successfully. I will enter an incorrect email. Error message sent. I am sending the correct email and password. Now let's delete a user in Firebase. I will try to log in with the deleted account. The login process was not successful. In the next video, we will create a simple login screen using the custom Kinter library. Before moving on to the video, you can like the video and subscribe to the channel to support us. Thanks for watching.